Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have marked many levels here. So let's try to understand why these levels are important, what are the importance of these numbers and all. And I'm extremely sorry, due to a technical fault, somehow my screen recorder is not showing my video here. So generally you see my video on this particular portion of the screen, and I don't know why today I'm also missing my face. Anyways, let's get started. So you can see that right now market is trading at 151.99. This is the current market price. After the market opening on Monday, we do not have any proper movement, and as we all know, during the first half on Monday, the market usually stays flat. Okay, apart from the US dollar. Okay, apart from the US dollar, which is extremely bullish right now. We have already discussed in our other videos. The rest of the currency pairs are more or less dull here, and the GBP JPY is also quite dull. So at first, let's talk about this trend line here. So you can see that market was an uptrend here. Okay, market was an uptrend. After that, market went down, took support here again, market went up. Okay, so if we just join these price levels here, this is the first touch, this is the second touch. So as we all know, to draw a trend line, to draw a support line or resistance line, we need minimum two touches. So our minimum criteria is fulfilled, so we need to wait for the next one. So if we draw a trend line here, so then this we can hope that this trend line will be acting as a dynamic support for the market. So if we just look at the present portion of the market here, the market is trading here, and considering the trend of the market, the best trading opportunity on the chart of GBP JPY is this price level, the third point here that I have mentioned. So right now you don't need to do anything here, because here we do not have any proper clarity about the trend of the market. So let the market come down and just test this support here. So when the market will be coming down and hit the trend line, just observe the price and see how the price is doing. If you see that, just like the previous times, if you find market taking support and bouncing from the trend line, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is a dynamic support. This trend line is the new dynamic support for GBP JPY, and then you can immediately go for a buy. And on the other hand, if market crosses the support and if you find market breaking the support, then also do not think about shorting the market, because we have an immediate support available at 151.40 level. Previously this level was the resistance for the market, and right now the same level is acting as a support for the market. So in case market fails to take support at the trend line, then the next immediate support is available at 151.40 level. So market should bounce from either the 151.40 level, the second support, or market should bounce from the trend line. So these two are the price level for the chart right now. So don't do anything right now, just wait for the market to come down to the support level, so that you do not mess around and you get the best price. And as we all know, we get the best price only at the area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot on the chart. And right now in the chart of GBP JPY, the area of value is at the support. We have got two support, one at the trend line and other at this level. So wait for the market to give you a proper signal. So wait for a couple of hours and just see how the market behaves once the market reaches the trend line. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow.